The fastest way to get bad research from AI is to ask one giant question and trust the first confident answer. The safer move is to give AI a smaller job, organize sources you collected, separate claims from evidence, and show you what still needs a human answer. Here is a simple research assistant you can build in one spreadsheet. Create 3 tabs. The first is Sources, title, publisher, date, URL, source type, and why it matters. The second is Claims, the claim, the source row that supports it, and confidence. The third is Open Questions, what we do not know, who can verify it, and the next action. That structure is the assistant. AI is just helping you keep it clean. For this demo, the fictional question is, which neighborhood should a coffee cart test first? That is still too broad, so I split it into foot traffic, permits, competitor density, and operating hours. Research gets better when the question has parts someone can actually verify. Put primary and credible sources into the Sources tab first. Do not ask the model to generate the links. For each one, write one sentence about what it proves and one sentence about what it cannot prove. A city permit page can tell you a rule. It cannot tell you whether customers will love your menu. Now copy a small, approved source set into your AI tool and ask, create a claim ledger. Every claim must reference a source ID. If a claim has no support, put it under Open Questions. Do not add facts. The output should look slightly boring. Boring is good. It means the model is organizing instead of decorating. Open every link behind the claims that drive the decision. Check publication date, context, and whether the source actually says what the summary claims. If 2 sources disagree, keep the disagreement. Your assistant is useful when it makes uncertainty visible, not when it hides it behind a smooth paragraph. Once the table is checked, ask for a 1-page brief with 3 sections, what the sources support, what remains uncertain, and the lowest risk next experiment. In the fictional example, we do not declare a winning neighborhood. We recommend a small pilot and list what data to collect. That is a decision-ready output without pretending research is prophecy. Before any brief leaves your desk, run 4 checks. Does every factual claim have a source ID? Did we use the primary source where possible? Are dates current enough for the decision? And did a human verify the highest impact claims? If not, the brief is a draft, not a recommendation. You do not need an agent, an API, or a giant database to start. One spreadsheet, a focused question, a source ledger, and a review rule will outlast most clever prompts. Once you trust the routine, you can add approved automation around reminders, not around truth. Use this for proposals, competitor research, software selection, or content planning. Just remember the rule: AI may summarize your evidence, but it never becomes your evidence. Next, watch the client proposal workflow to turn a checked research board into a clear document.